Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. In the mandala of the clear light of awareness, where blessings open the door of wisdom, we settle into the path of the secret Vajra. We penetrate the vow of unprotected awareness. Our wisdom goes along with our non-conceptual awareness. We were taught our own faces, which have no birth or death. We were imparted the empowerment of the vase of royal investiture. Then we were settled on the level of the Buddha, without any traveling. The oral lineage poured out its heart blood. We were secretly settled within the depths of our minds. In every pure land we played happily. Then this precious oral lineage became prosperous on the compassionate Jambu Island. Then it did not prosper in the center of Jambu Island. It failed. Fortunate ones, who are of the family of bodhisattvas, will go to the level of total liberation. This Tantra, which is my most secret heart, is a teaching that is stainless and is difficult to understand. Those who do not have the magical words of the oral lineage may strive, but it will be noise and meaningless words to them. Those who practice and who work to promote themselves to everyone are like those who leave the borders that they have quickly left behind. They have no Dharma for the bardo or for the world, so they will fall into the abode of the Vajra. They will be totally lost from the family of the free. Then, in our effort to teach the meanings of the symbols, we will hear the unwritten Tantra. Then the level of our vessel will seem to be golden. We must receive the instructions of the oral lineage. We use the stages there are in liberating meanings from symbols, and work to teach our own precious jewels. Then they are to be introduced to the meanings of the symbols for the clear light of our awareness. When something has a meaning that is clearly prakrit, samsara is clearly primordial Buddhahood. A woman's true nature is kindness. When we visualize it, we find it spontaneously. In this same way, you must understand that this exists within us all.